We have to look to the future. I do a lot of research on housing and ageing and working house for it, getting ready for an ageing population. And the fact is we aren't ready as yet, but yet we're all getting older. So what do we need to do is plan better, work more collaboratively, integrate services such as with health and social care. But most of all, we have to talk about including the currently excluded, tackling structural inequalities through housing and working together to make housing much more inclusive. At the moment, we are building houses that disable people and we need to build houses that enable people. I think the will is there. The housing sector is really enthusiastic for innovation, but I think we need to actually get the mechanisms right to enable that innovation. And I think the first thing that we're doing at the moment, for example, in my group, for Homes of the Future, we're looking at this banner of inclusive living. We're looking to develop the concept theoretically, and in practice, to get the first step to build houses that are more inclusive, that can adapt as people's health needs change, instead of people having to change as their health, and move home. And it makes a business sense, it makes a social sense, it makes ethical sense, and a moral case for it as well. I don't think we can make any changes where you leave the community behind. You can't make change on a community. If you want something that's long-term, positive, the change must be coming from the community. We have a lot of research on co-production, working with communities, older people, lots of different groups, and it's that old saying, nothing for us with it. And you can't impose these things and changes in a positive way on communities. It has to be from them, with them, designed with them, and then it's really embedded. Change can actually happen. We have a real diverse workforce in housing, and we come from all angles. On the academic side, geography, planning, economics, social policy, all of those elements are there, but a lot of our students are also people working in housing, looking to develop, and it is always a difficulty attracting people into housing because of the diversity of the routes and the pathways into it. We have to do more on that. But once they're in housing, you're in housing, and it's because it's such an exciting career, and people find once they're in it, they're in a place that's tangible change. They can actually improve people's lives tomorrow.